My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
If you can predict the future, you don't need to be wasting your time designing. But if you can't, you need to prepare for unexpected events, which could be a natural disaster or a financial recession.
News waking up to the American investment bank Lehman Brothers has filed for bankruptcy in New York. That's happened in the last few minutes. It means the Wall Street institution, which has been in business for 150 years and survived the Great Depression, is now the most high-profile casualty of the credit crunch. America's Federal...
You ever worked in a creative department, son?
No, sir.
Ever written a great ad?
No, sir.
Ever put your ideas in another man's hands? Ask him to put his ideas in yours?
No, sir.
We write ads, son. We write ads or people die. It's that simple. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Are we clear?
And that finance is actually analyzing and looking at numbers and making decisions about how to run a business, how to get the numbers, how to manage cash flow and understand those kinds of things. Accounting, on the other hand, their task is to take transactions and figure out how to create historical information about what's happening with a business. Finance people take that historical information and use it to make business decisions.
Importance of design in finance. What is the role of a designer in finance?
We read about it all the time. An active business that appears healthy, great reputation, active sales, and then, poof, out of business. How can this happen? Poor cash management? Money tied up so bills unpaid? Are profit margins too low? Maybe unproductive assets are draining profits. Your job is to monitor, measure, invest, borrow, and collect enough money so your business continues to operate on track. Enough means the right amount at the right time. Enough on hand to cover expenses. Enough lined up so you can acquire assets. And enough invested so you get the best return. Regardless of the business you're in, cash is king. Can you pay the bills? Will you be able to afford this equipment? A cash flow forecast helps you predict whether there'll be enough cash through the year to support your business and how much cash to have on hand at any time.
Guidelines of design in finance. First step, evaluating the environment.
Second step, confirm the business vision and objectives.
Third step, identify the types of resources needed to achieve these objectives.
Fourth step, quantify the amount of resources like labor, equipment, materials, etc.
Okay, here goes nothing. Magic spell potion number 1647A. Wart from a bullfrog. 1 stick of butter. Milk from a cow that lives in Calcutta.
Fifth step. Summarize the cost to create a budget.
This is the bare minimum budget I need for my project. What could you do with half this amount? Fail. When can you start? I think I just did.
Sixth, identify any risks and issues. What's the importance of design in engineering?
What does a design engineer do?
A design engineer keeps in mind various aspects while engineering a product.
Guidelines in engineering design.
Durability of the material.
Strength of the product.
Various external conditions.
The market conditions.
Role of design in engineering. With design, bigger and better products can be built.
A well-designed product gives satisfaction to the customer.
A satisfied customer gets more customers.
And in turn, satisfied customers make profit to the company.
Most importantly, design avoids failures or losses.
In brief, a combined effort of design in finance and engineering would yield remarkable results, which could be seen in the transformation of city of Dubai within the last 20 years.
This world through which we wander is wonderful and strange. The only truth we can really know is that everything will change.
Like the rain that fills the ocean, like the storm that shakes the pine, we are all a part of the grand